Hey y'all, I'm Chris and this is It Worth It, y'all? And today we are going to make a recipe I have never made before. I have this hankering for Mexican food, but it's pasta night. So I'm going to make spaghetti, but it's gonna be taco flavored. So kind of sounds a little weird, but we'll see what happens. So if you're interested, stick around. All right, so we're gonna gather ingredients and we are still trying to get rid of a bunch of jars. So we're gonna use our canned deer meat, some tomato sauce. We canned corn the other day, like 15 dozen. So this was one of the jars. This is the only jar that didn't seal. I've gotta use some garlic. We need an onion, some cheese. We are going to use angel hair pasta because Greg does not like the texture of spaghetti. So I got 4 servings of this. Stay right there, y'all. Some diced tomatoes, green chilies, and some taco seasoning. And so now I got to figure out how to put this together because I don't know what I'm doing, which is okay. We'll figure it out. Okay, y'all, I got water going right here. I know I'm chopping my head off, but the angle of this camera, I just don't know what to do. So we're gonna chop my head off. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put the ingredients in here in the bowl, mix them up so I can like taste as we go. I might need to cook the garlic and the I'm just draining the liquid off of the deer meat. This is deer meat. And I don't want all that liquid. So I'm just gonna drain the majority of that off real quick. We're gonna stick that in the jar. So this is what it looks like when you open it. And we canned this. Can you see it? Ooh. 2021, December 2021. That's what it looks like whenever you open it. That's just the fat layer. Boop. Now, I will tell you, looks like dog food, smells like dog food, tastes like deer meat. Don't ask me why, but the canning process makes ground beef stink, but it's still fine. All right, this is tomato sauce that we canned in 2020 that we need to get rid of. I only need half of this. Oh, it smells so good. Half of that. That might have been pasta sauce. It's okay, it's in there now. The recipe called for diced tomatoes. I am gonna drain this a little bit because I've got that. Those look good. We are gonna use, uh-oh, I gotta open that. I'm gonna use this can of corn. See, that came off too easy. So we're gonna use this. I'm gonna put, it says a packet of taco seasoning, but obviously I have my taco seasoning like that. Cool. Let me get the can opener. I forgot to open the green chilies. Whoopsie. Get those open. And I think I am gonna go ahead and dice and mince onion and garlic. Greg and I like hot, so this whole thing's going in. Okay. Cool. 2 more jars, 2.5 more jars off the shelf. That's what it looks like so far. Now you know me and measuring, and it said a packet of taco seasoning. That looks good. I'm gonna go stick that back on the shelf. Salt and pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and do pepper, but I won't do salt until after we taste it. We're gonna mix this up real quick. Let me get a spoon. Come on now. Make sure we got enough liquid. Oh yeah. I might go in with the rest of that. Oh man, that's a tough one. Look, y'all. It looks a little dry to me. I feel like it needs more pasta sauce. Or that was supposed to be tomato sauce, but it smells like pasta sauce. But that's okay. The taco seasoning will kill some of that Italian seasoning flavor. Oh, this looks good. It almost looks like a goulash. I feel like we're making Mexican flavored goulash. This needs more taco seasoning, I can already tell. I bet that's two packets. Not one. Yeah, this is so funny because it reminds me of goulash. Alrighty. I'm gonna taste test. I'm gonna dice and mince garlic, onion, cook it off a little bit so it doesn't taste raw, throw it in the thing, and I'll bring you back whenever we're ready to assemble. Let's assemble. I think we're almost ready to do this pasta too. Let's get that taken care of. Angel hair cooks fast. Those onions did pretty good too. So I want to stir this in real quick. Okay, what do you think? I want to put some of this on the bottom. I don't know if it's kind of like a lasagna, but not really. But I think it'd be better off to have some at the bottom. All right, let's drain. Ouch, that's hot. Let's drain some pasta. Get some pasta in there. I'm draining it right underneath you, so you can't see because you're in my kitchen sink. I got a facial though, it was great. Nothing like a pasta water facial. All right, chuck that in there. That's nice. I am glad we did the sauce on the bottom. That was a good call. Let's do some on the top. Mix this in a little bit. Oh, this looks so good. I still have some sauce left, but I don't want to put it in here, I don't think. Maybe I'll freeze that. Because this is, like I said, we're using these because they're good for portion control. I'll freeze that. I don't think we need to use that. Then we need to shred up a bunch of cheese and shove it on top and throw it in the oven.